In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export questions and answer choices from your Typeform. Now, while Typeform doesn't directly support exporting questions and answer options through its interface, don't worry, there are still methods you can use to get the job done. I'll guide you through two effective approaches. The first one is more hands-on, and the second one involves using an unofficial tool. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the first method, manual copy-pasting. Now, I know this may not seem like the most efficient way, especially if you have a Typeform with many questions and options. However, it's a straightforward process. You'll begin by opening your Typeform and selecting the form from which you want to export the questions and answers. Once the form is open, you'll need to go through each question one by one. Highlight the question text and answer options, right-click, and then copy the selection. Next, you'll want to paste this into a document or a spreadsheet where you can keep everything organized. Simply repeat this process for each question in your Typeform. Yes, it can be time-consuming, but it gets the job done without any additional tools or special technical know-how. Now, if you're looking for a more automated approach, the second option involves using an unofficial export tool created by a Typeform developer advocate. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite user-friendly. To get started, you'll need to visit the unofficial tool's website at print-typeform-vercel.app. Once there, you'll notice that the tool prompts you to sign in with your Typeform account. This is necessary so that the tool can access your forms. So go ahead and enter your login details. Remember to keep them handy but secure at all times. After signing in, the tool will present a list of your forms. Simply select the form you wish to export. The tool will then provide you with an option to download the questions and their corresponding answers. It's swift and could potentially save you a great deal of time, especially if you're working with lengthy surveys. Both methods have their own merits. If you're dealing with a small number of questions, manual copy-pasting could work just fine for you. However, if you have a larger form or you find yourself needing to export questions frequently, the unofficial tool might be the better choice. And there you have it. Two practical ways to export questions and answer choices from your Typeform. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and you'll have all your important data properly organized and ready for any kind of analysis or reporting you might need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.